The Eagle is powered by 2216-A Sunny Sky 1250 kV2. It got a 50 amp Skywalker. The back from the Skywalker, it's not providing power to anything, just signal and ground to receiver. And then we have a R9 receiver. We got a R9 receiver, and let's see, we have a separate UBEC to power the whole system at 5 volts. So because I did have a brownout and a lock on the servos using the back from the Skywalker, so I eliminated. Other than that, sorry, you can tell the wing is parallel, or actually flat right there, and look the down thrust that I have, and a little bit to the right, and down thrust, and this Eagle flies completely straight. I installed a carbon fiber strip 40 inches by 0.05 all the way the length of the wing to make it stiffer. This is a must do because the carbon fiber strip that is provided in the kit is not enough for the wings to actually bend during a fast descent. Okay. That I did in this baby, I put an extra piece of carbon fabric. This is a one piece of carbon fabric flat stock, and I got the CG just right there, right in front, like maybe 30 millimeters in front of the stock spar that comes with it. This one is added, and so far it looks good. It flies good. Okay, maiden fly of the EPP Eagle from Banggood. Engines are armed. We have a down thrust and slightly to the right. It's a little bit windy, and it's coming from where? Oh God, it's coming from my. Gotta walk. Screw it. We took off in crosswind. Okay, the thrust angle is perfect, and we're gonna dance a little bit right here. We're gonna take it up. Let's see how many DVs. Alright, we're doing good on DVs. We're going up. No motor. Got rudder and elevator, so we're gonna use the rudder. That's rudder. Again rudder. And opposite aileron. rudder and opposite aileron. Flying like a buzzer. Okay, let's see if we got good thrust. Alright, the angle is correct. Okay, let's dive. And turn with the rudder. Okay. Modification.